Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. This is Terry. Hey, we were doing some more shot video today and still making some changes, and I wanted to just take a little minute while we were set up here and talk about the Bandit tender spring change. Just hadn't taken time to come back and review that and share a little bit of ride video with you. But the tender springs were absolutely an amazing change. Just so much more plush, so much better in the slow speed, especially in the slow speed rocks, stuff that we have here. A lot of these trails are just super rough, not much opportunity for wide open running here, unless you're just running the dirt roads. Most of the trails here are tight and steep and rocky. We live in Northwest Arkansas, and it's just basically a big rock pile. So we'll show some video in just a second, but just want to talk a little bit about it. Just, like I said, an amazing change. When we did the pre-video for it, or we intended to do the pre-video for it, I realized after we were already at the trailhead that my GoPro was still here in the shop, which obviously didn't help. So we tried to get some handheld stuff, and just to be honest, Cheryl was doing it for me, and there was no way in those rough sections that you could even hold the iPhone steady enough to get even any usable video. So we don't have the before video, it's just absolutely unusable. However, in the after video, you can see with the GoPro, and I realize the GoPro has image stabilization, so that's obviously helping a little bit too, but you can see how easily we go across these big rocks, up these hills, do these things. You can hear how smooth the throttle is. Any of you that have these Talons know that the throttle's a little bit touchy, or a lot touchy, and the tender spring change just made an amazing difference with that as well. The throttle much smoother since this suspension's actually working now. No more body lean. We're tried at a little bit higher speed sections, just to see how that felt. And I'm super impressed by that. Just really impressed by the whole Bandit tender spring change. So let's cut out to this ride video and let you watch that, and then we'll come back and wrap it up. All right, and we're back. I'm sure you can see by that in that video that it's just this is a completely different machine. Totally impressed by this. Absolutely best 200 bucks ever spent on one of these. The folks over there at Bandit UTV really have the deal going on here. There's a lot of different places that have these, and Ted over there, I think, has really got just a super simple setup, really easy to change. You don't need spring compressors, you don't need any of that because there's not this huge amount of preload that causes you to need these spring compressors. Everything can be done by hand with simple hand tools. So very impressed with the Bandit tenders. Bandit UTV suspensions.com. Just go see Ted and I'm sure you'll be impressed as well. If you need any help with anything, don't hesitate to comment. Let me know if there's questions that we can answer about any of this process or what's going on with the tender springs. Thanks so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like button. Please subscribe. So thankful for everybody that's already done all that. Hope y'all have a great day.